Okay, me and Chong found a new trail. It's supposed to be a new nature walk. I was hoping to find some kind of interesting animal, but it is a beautiful area. I do hear birds in the mist. They do have really unique birds in these reservations, but sometimes they come out, sometimes they don't. So I don't know what to say. I guess it is what it is. But Chong, he's had 2 water breaks. We walked quite far out because I was trying to find a new area. My brother and me soon will be scouting new locations together, just to liven up things for everybody. See, he wants to go all deep in here. I already got like 20 mosquito bites from yesterday. I'm not trying to get any more mosquito bites. I think they're trying to bite me through my pants. Watch out for the mosquitoes.